Hello there everybody, and welcome to Map the Dragon Railways, and today in this video I'm going to be doing a running session on Roger Bay, my main loop layout. And today's running session is on rare model locomotives. This is the models of their limited runs, not the real things. But yeah, I thought it'd be quite interesting to see 4 rare locomotives that I own. This is definitely not all of them I own, but I thought these were the top 4 probably most rare. So to start off with, we got 2 locos, and the first one is a Smoky Joe. Well, you wouldn't actually think of a Smoky Joe being rare, but this is in fact Hornby's centenary edition, which they done to celebrate 100 years of the company. And I might just try and bring it forwards. So this model has extra lining and handrails, and I think it looks rather smart. And yeah, it's got a nice wire handrail around the back, which they aren't fitted on the more modern ones, and it's even got a red buffer beam. Now, how rare are these? Well, only 2,000 of these models were actually produced. This is more of a recent model that is actually quite rare. And our next model is actually a Terrier by Hornby, so another more recent model, and this one is number 45 Merton. Now, only 1,000 of these models have been produced, so yeah, another fairly rare one. And today I've got Merton with a small goods train. Normally I run her with passenger because she's quite a nice model, but I decided some freight would make it a little bit different. And Smoky Joe has a old Dapol coach kit of a LMS non-corridor coach, and a weathered brake van by Hornby, which I once done. The roof on this I attempted weathering recently as a filming. I don't know what to think of it. Half of me likes it, half of me doesn't. So anyway, let's start off the trains. So I'm going to start off with Merton, I think. It's a very nice model. I'm very glad to have it. And like I say, a nice small freight train. And let's set off Smoky Joe, shall we? Which has a very nice Gauge Master combi controlling it. And this one can be really nice, slow and smooth, and it works its way over points. Being a more modern loco, it's not like the standard Smoky Joe everyone knows about. In fact, it's a very nice slow runner, not a pocket rocket that goes flying about. And here's Merton. So yeah, enjoy the running clips, and then I'll get on to another 2 locos. So there we go, that's the first two over and done with. So I hope you enjoyed that. I know the terrier was going a little bit too fast, and to be honest, Smokey Joe was going really nice and slowly. So yeah, let's swap over to what I believe to be even more rare locomotives. In fact, I know one is extremely more rare than any of these two. So yeah, let's do that. So I'm starting you off with a purposely blurred image. And I thought maybe you could work out what it is from these colours. I'm just going to zoom out a little bit so you get a better view. And yeah, what do you think it is? Well, if you didn't guess it right, it is the Hornby Railways Intercity XPT. This is basically Australia's solution to the British HST. This is their version. And yeah, I don't actually know how rare these are, though they do fetch for a pretty penny on eBay, and they are very well known to be rare. And now on to probably the rarest locomotive within my entire collection of nearly 70 locomotives. So I feel like this one is way too easy to guess, and if you haven't actually worked it out already, well, I'm going to show you now. It is the Beckman stroke TMC Tornado in the Battleship Grey. So how rare are these, I hear you ask? Well, from what I've researched, there are only 100 of these ever made. So yeah, that's quite rare. Bachmann, made these, and the model centre tweaked them so it was like how Tornado was when she rolled out the engine shed under her own steam. And yeah, it's definitely a really nice model. Now you look on eBay and other auction sites, and these are also rather expensive. If you try to pick one up second hand, it will cost you around £300, if not more. And I managed to luckily pick this one up for £160. And yeah, I'm rather happy with it. So yeah, let's get that running. But first, let's set off the XPT. Might want a nudge. It does have working lights, so yeah, you may be able to pick that out. And I'm just going to start Tornado. I'm going to put the XPT's power up a little bit more to 50%. And here you can see Tornado. And yeah, enjoy the running session. She surely is a stunning model. So thank you for watching this little running session. If you did enjoy it, please do leave a like, comment down below. Do you have any of these models yourself, and what do you think of them? Or are you planning on trying to get one someday? And yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please do consider subscribing for more videos like this, including these running sessions, reviews, and maintenance videos and updates and all that other fun stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I shall see you all next time. Cheerio for now.